Pecan Pie Bars are the perfect balance of buttery shortbread and a gooey pecan filling on top that you can easily make, serve, and eat with your hands. Pie with your hands, guys. Welcome to the Scran line. I'm Nick, and today I'm going to show you how to make Pecan Pie Bars, a really awesome holiday classic, which is usually made in pie form, but today I'm going to show you how to make it in bar form. Let's begin with the crust. It's really easy. Add the flour, brown sugar, and salt into a large mixing bowl and whisk those ingredients together. Then add the softened butter and chopped pecans and mix until a crumbly texture forms. I'm using an electric hand mixer. You can use a stand mixer fitted with a paddle attachment. Press that mixture into the cake tin and bake for 20 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. So that cake tin is 9 by 12 inches. Once the edges are golden, take it out of the oven, let it cool, and let's move on to this really easy pecan filling. I still can't believe how easy it is. Add the brown sugar, flour, and salt into a large mixing bowl. Whisk until well combined. Add the glucose and golden syrup. Now, golden syrup is something that's easily available here in Australia. I think it's easily available in the UK. I'm not as sure about the US. If you can't find golden syrup, you can use maple syrup, or you can just use more glucose syrup. You're going to add the eggs and vanilla extract in there and mix until well combined. Then add the pecans. I'm using whole pecans, but you can roughly chop yours if you like, and stir through using a spatula. Add on top of the lightly baked crust and spread evenly. You're going to bake this for 50 minutes. If you want a slightly gooier texture, bake it for about 40 to 45 minutes. You want to let this cool to room temperature, then chill in the fridge for 3 hours or overnight. It's going to make slicing this up using a large knife so much easier. Guys, this is a great recipe to make ahead of time. You can even make it a couple days ahead of time if you want to make things a whole lot easier for you. Thanksgiving, Christmas, I've got you covered for your dessert. Enjoy this recipe. It's on scranline.com. Thank you so much for watching. If you try it, let me know what you thought in the comments. I'll see you all on the next episode of the Scran Line. Bye!